Hello, everyone. Welcome to another English learning video. This video will help you improve your speaking skills. I will tell you a beautiful story, sentence by sentence. Pause the video after each sentence and repeat after me. Today, I am going to tell you a short story. It is about a young girl. She loses her phone on the subway. She meets new people while trying to find it. In the end, she finds not only her phone, but also true friendship. Let's begin the story. My name is Emma Johnson, and this is a story about my phone. It is a story about the worst day. It became the best day of my life. I am a college student. I live in New York City. I study art at university. Every morning I take the subway to school. That Tuesday morning started like any day. I woke up late. I grabbed my bag. I ran to the subway station. The train was very crowded. I found a small space near the door. People pushed me from all sides. My phone was in my jacket pocket. I always kept it there. The train stopped at my station. I pushed through the crowd. I walked up the stairs. Then I reached for my phone. My pocket was empty. My heart stopped. My phone was gone. All my photos were on that phone. My contacts, my music, everything. I ran back down to the subway platform. The train was already gone. I asked the station worker for help. "Sorry, miss," he said. "Lost phones are hard to find. You can try the lost and found office." I felt terrible. How could I be so careless? I decided not to give up. I would find my phone somehow. First, I went to the lost and found office. A kind old woman worked there. She looked through boxes of lost items. "No phones today, dear," she said. "Check back tomorrow. People bring things later." I walked around the subway station. I asked everyone I could find. Nobody had seen my phone. Then I had an idea. Maybe someone found my phone. Maybe they were trying to return it. I needed to use another phone. I needed to call my phone. I saw a coffee shop across the street. I went inside. I asked the owner if I could use his phone. "Sure," said the man. His name was Carlos. "What happened?" he asked. I told him about my lost phone. He listened carefully. "You know what?" Carlos said. "My nephew works for the subway. Maybe he can help you." Carlos called his nephew. His name was Alex. Alex agreed to meet me after work. I felt hope for the first time that day. Alex met me at the coffee shop that evening. He was about my age. He had friendly eyes. He had a warm smile. "Carlos told me about your phone." Alex said, "I work in the subway control room. We have cameras everywhere." My heart jumped. "Can you check the cameras?" I asked. "I can try," Alex said. "But I need details." I told him everything. The train number, the time, even what I was wearing. "Come with me," Alex said. "Let me show you something." We walked to the subway station. Alex took me through a special door. It was marked staff only. We went down a long hallway. "This is where we watch the trains," Alex said. "We keep people safe." The control room was amazing. There were dozens of screens. They showed all parts of the subway. There I pointed to one screen. "That is the platform where I got off." Alex started checking the camera recordings. We watched the screen carefully. Alex found the right train in time. "Is that you?" Alex asked. "Yes, that is me," I said. The train arrived. It was very crowded. People pushed everywhere. Then we saw something interesting. A tall man in a blue jacket stood close to me. When the train stopped, he got off. Quickly, Alex made the video play slower. We saw the man bump into me. Something fell from my jacket pocket. There! I shouted. My phone fell out. We saw a teenage girl pick up my phone. She looked around. I was already walking up the stairs. The girl took a piece of paper from her backpack. She wrote something on it. Then she stuck the note on the subway wall. Can you zoom closer? I asked. Alex made the picture bigger. The note said, "Found phone. Owner, please come to Central Park tomorrow at 3 p.m. I will wait by the big fountain. Sarah." What a smart and kind girl, I said. Alex looked at the clock. It is already evening, he said. But what if someone else takes the note? I worried. Do not worry, Alex said. Let me check if the note is still there. We went to the platform. Alex showed me where the girl had put the note. The wall was empty. Oh no, I said sadly. Someone took it down. Alex had another idea. Maybe the girl will check the wall again, he said. We went back to the control room. Alex checked the camera feeds from that afternoon. Look! Alex pointed to the screen. There she is. The girl looked at the wall. She looked sad. Then she wrote a new note. She put it on the station notice board. She put it on the notice board, I said. We ran to the platform. The white paper had clear writing. Found phone. Owner, please come to Central Park tomorrow at 3 p.m. I will wait by the big fountain. Sarah. Perfect, I said. Now I knew where to meet her. The next day, Alex met me at the coffee shop. Carlos gave us free coffee. He wished us luck. Are you nervous? Alex asked. A little, I said. What if the girl does not come? She will come, Alex said. She worked hard to help you. We arrived at Central Park at 2:45 p.m. The big fountain was easy to find. At exactly 3 p.m., I saw a girl walking toward the fountain. She had a backpack. She looked around carefully. That is her, I said. The girl sat on a bench. She took out my phone. She held it so people could see it. I walked up to her. Alex was beside me. Excuse me, I said. Are you Sarah? I think you found my phone. Her eyes got wide. Yes, I am Sarah. Is this your phone? Yes, that is mine. I said happily. Thank you for keeping it safe. Sarah smiled. I put up 2 notes to make sure you saw it, Alex explained. We saw your note on the subway camera. Sarah looked surprised. Camera? She asked. I explained everything. How I lost my phone, how I met Alex, how we found her through the cameras. You are smart to leave notes, I said. Thank you for not giving up. You do not need to thank me, Sarah said. I am just happy to help. I wanted to do something special. Sarah kept my phone safe. She wrote multiple notes. Do you like art? I asked Sarah. Yes, she said. I love to draw, but I am not very good. Everyone can learn art, I said. Would you like me to teach you? I go to art school. Sarah's face lit up. Really? You would do that? Of course, I said. You helped me so much. Alex spoke up. Sarah, do you like music too? I love music, she said. I play guitar. I am a musician, Alex said. Maybe we can all be friends. 2 days ago, I lost my phone. I felt terrible. Today, I found my phone. I also made 2 new friends. Alex had become more than a friend. He was kind, funny, and talented. Sarah felt like a younger sister. She was smart and creative. I loved teaching her about art. You know what? I said, losing my phone was the best thing that ever happened. Why? Sarah asked. Because it brought us together, I said. I found friendship and love. Alex took my hand. I found the most amazing girl in New York City. Sarah laughed, and I found the best art teacher in the world. We sat together. We watched the sunset over the city. My phone was safe in my pocket. My heart was full of joy. Sometimes, when you lose something, you find something even better. I hope you enjoyed the story. Remember to practice by listening and repeating every sentence. Listening and repeating will make your English speaking more clear and confident. See you again in the next English learning video.